How about a Mai Tai? We're gonna do an easy Mai Tai using just a few ingredients. That way you don't have to look for orgeat syrup or any specialty ingredients. So an easy Mai Tai is what we'll call this, and we're gonna serve this in a double rocks glass. You can see a double rocks glass, it's larger than just our regular short glass, so not quite double in size. It's intended for drinks that have a bit more mix, a bit more going on. So if we're serving it in here, we're gonna make this as a shake and pour cocktail. Shake and pour, mixing glass. I'm gonna go half ice. Half ice in my mixing glass. I guess I'll try half ice right there. One more scoop. I'm gonna go with an ounce of dark rum. So my dark rum coming off the top. We're gonna go with half an ounce of triple sec, half an ounce of amaretto. So triple sec has that sweet orange flavor. Amaretto, you have that almond flavor going on there. So half an ounce of each of those. We're now at 2 ounces of booze in this glass. We're gonna add 2 ounces of lime juice. So you've got your sweet component in this cocktail coming from your liqueurs. We need to add some sour in there in order to balance it out. Now we're ready to go and shake this up. Eight to 10 times, shake and pour. We can go and pour that straight into our glass. If anything, we've broken up some of that ice and it looks fantastic. Serve that up with a lime. Lime for a mix, lime in your Mai Tai. An easy Mai Tai.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.